Hi, thanks for clicking. So today I'm going to be opening up the Allure Beauty Box. This subscription runs $15 a month, and if it's your first time signing up, you can usually get a $5 coupon and get it for $10. And the products included are full and deluxe size. So opening up the box, first thing you get is a little pamphlet. It gives you everything that you get included for the month, as well as the cost, the retail value, and usually you also get some coupons as to which websites you can get it on for cheaper. You also get a little plastic black pouch which has everything that you need included. This is pretty cool, you know, it's nice and compact. This is called a Mamonde Flower Lab Essence Mask, Calendula.
Calendula.
And there are actually 7 different types of these, different flowers, and so I'm assuming smells. So you get one of them included. And this mask runs $7. Gently unfold mask. Okay, well that's what the mask looks like. But it's like covered in like a gel substance. It's not usually this thick of a gel, usually when I get them. Here goes nothing. It's definitely really difficult to open up. You're supposed to leave the mask on for 10 to 20 minutes. Ooh. Gently pat the remaining contents into the skin. My skin is finally dry. That took forever. It feels a little tacky. I have no complaints with that mask. I would probably actually get it again. It was like all tingly on my skin, so it felt like it was doing something. The sheet mask itself is made from eucalyptus pulp. It was nice and light, and I feel refreshed. Alright, so this is the Browgal, the Instant Tinted Brow Gel. I don't know how I feel about this. It's brown. Oh my word. So I put it on. It lightened my eyebrows, but it actually kind of made it seem like there were some gray streaks in it, which I thought was really freaking weird. So it wasn't as obnoxious as I thought it would be. So I'm okay with this. I would probably use it again. I thought I would need black, but I'm okay with the brown actually. So that's good. And this runs $22. We got a brush. There is a brush in here. It's nice and gold. I love gold. This is a Moda Metallics Triad Eye Brush. This is an M27 and this runs $4.99. I got a Modelco Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. It's in the color Mykonos. I got 3 different colors. A brown shimmer, a eggplant shimmer, pinkish shimmer. This is the pink. But it actually came out as gold on my skin tone. So I was really surprised at that. So I'm just going to swatch the colors so I'm not surprised again. So this is the pink. Yeah, lots of gold. And then this is the brown. Purple shimmer. So I went in with the brown shimmer on the edges. I put the purple in the middle of my lid and kind of tried to blend it out. So those are all 3 colors together. The purple is the brightest, obviously. The brown, which I'm surprised is the lightest. And it is supposed to be a pinky champagne, but it's actually just gold. I mean, it comes out as gold on my skin tone. It's an interesting combination. I'm not mad at it, but I'm not blown away by it either. Wanderer Beauty Mile High Club. Whoa! This runs $26. There's the wand, typical wand. This is the Wander Beauty Mile High Club. And I gotta say, the formula went on like butter on my upper eyelashes. It was fantastic. My lower lashes, however, because I barely have anything there, it was a little tougher to get to. So far, the I Do mascara wand with that curve is still my #1 for getting my lower lashes. It's a Mally High Shine Liquid Lipstick. I love the little cobra look over here. It's like so interesting. Alright, so there it is. So basically just a twisty. Got it. It's a dollop of the stuff. It's just like a high gloss shine. Whatever the smell is, I can tell you I'm living for it. So on its own, there's like no color. I'd most likely apply this like over another lipstick just to, you know, make it shine. But I gotta say, the smell is amazing. And this is in the color Starburst. Actually, I would classify this as a gloss, not a liquid lip. And this runs $21. Okurrr Allure, a Mamonde Petal Spa Oil to Foam Rose. It's basically for taking off your makeup once you're done. So this will come off eventually. I'm probably going to use this. And this runs $21. Very rosy smell. I'm not mad at it. It smells like a rose. I used the oil to foam cleanser to get my makeup off. It worked great. Well, it didn't really rub on oily. It was just like a regular cleanser, but it foamed up great. That's it for my Allure beauty box. I spent $15 on the box and I got $116.99 worth of stuff. As you can see behind me, I still have a lot more boxes and bags to open up. So if you like what you saw, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Cheers.